Hi guys, this vlog or video is our family bonding for 3 days. Kay nagpuli di ang mga relatives kay families namin from Dubai and Manila. So, tanong mag-enjoy ka mo sa video.
It's a river.
It's sand. Ew. The water was clean. The water was clean, but it's sand. Ew, I don't like this one.
Here.
No. I want honey. It's not gonna give you honey.
The next day.
Isa naman po yung Lucas! 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 Lucas!
Take photo together. Hug, Kuya EJ.
Hug!
Diba si Lucas wala ka?
Okay, smile with teeth. Si Lucas! Okay! So cute! Wacky, wacky! Wacky! Like this, finger heart.
Price lang isa yung one.
Okay. Okay. Are you hungry? Okay, what do you want?
Noodle and fried rice. Mom.
Busog ka na?
Naku yung
Boa, grabe ba? Sigod.
Nabisyo mo hindi makasama.
Kutsara mo din.
Oo, gani. Marami di ba kailangan siya daw umba-umba ka bang ko?
Ang galing.
What?
Ang hahahul.
Hahahul.
The next day, again.
Nabibili yung tambayan tas eh. Hey Ethan! Say hi!
Hey all.
Lucas, say hi! Lucas! Say hi! Ethan, hi!
Hi. What's his name?
Lucas! Lucas! Lucas, smile here!
May picture sila ga.
Noah!
May lifeguard sa babaw. Lel, picture.
Hi Ethan!
Hi.
Tapos na. Ha? Ash, say hi! Hi, Damo!
Hi.
Hi, Ethan!
May dala pa kami ng nagsabi.
Oh my God. To, inaya lang to. No, 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 no.
No, no, don't feed it. Don't feed it. Don't feed it.
Oo.
Malap yun na. Okay, let's go.
Look at size, oh. Looking at you, oh.
It's like he wanted to eat you.
Yeah.
He farted.
He farted. You say hi. You just say hi. Okay, come here.
No.
Come here. Come here. Okay, the baby.
Baby raccoon. He looks cute.
Yeah, it looks cute because it's still a baby.
And that one is coming down.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go here. Careful.
What's there?
Careful. What's that? Oh. What's that? Don't touch her.
Hey, is that the something for the
No.
snake? Ah.
Look, oh, there's a monkey, oh. Monkey. There's a monkey. Look, oh, there's a monkey, oh.
Huh? Lucas, what is this, Lucas? Lucas! What is this? It's an eagle. And what is that? What is that? It's an eagle, oh.
I know that. What's the name?
What is that?
One, but I don't know the name. A parrot.
Peacock.
Peacock. Peacock.
Peacock. Peacock. Peacock. It's a peacock. Oh, it's an eagle. Say hi to an eagle.
Hi, Nico. Can you touch it? Don't.
No, you can't
There's a
touch
monkey,
it.
oh.
It's afraid.
Huh?
She's afraid.
Why's she shaking?
It's a big one.
Why's she
Look.
shaking? Why's she shaking?
Yeah, because she's afraid.
Oh, he's cold.
Yeah. Come here, come here, come here. Uy, monkey! Uy, si Ethan nag-feed! Oh, you want to touch? Look!
Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Touch it.
Go, Lucas!
Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze.
Tuntun kay tuntun ang liig. Ang ulo.
Ilagay nyo kay mami.
Nirarab pa niya, oh. Ay, sus.
Ethan, next.
Heavy?
Ethan, yun na Ethan.
Go, Ethan!
Wait, wait. No, 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 no.
Don't press.
I'm not pressing.
Okay mo siya.
Go, Ethan! Ethan!
Hawakan mo, hawakan mo.
Yan.
Yan.
Stand straight.
Dalawa kayo ni Tita! Dalawa kayo ni Tita!
Ulo. No, 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 no.
Dalawa kayo ni Nanay Nek-Nek!
Look at ate.
Ethan!
Smile, smile.
Ashley, next. Ashley.
Ashley!
Ash mo naman, Ash.
Si Aika! Si Aika! Si Aika! Si Aika! Si Aika!
Talikod, talikod.
Oh, yeah, tiya ulo.
Ay!
Oh, next.
Next, Jared!
Hawakan mo, hawakan mo, hawakan mo.
Uy, Jared, dinaya lang ah. Jared, dinaya. Okay, bye Jared!
Kapting ulo, yab lang yan muna. Oh, yan. Sa pa muna. Oh, yan. Oh.
Uy, Jared, hindi.
Pag duso-duso kayo na muna. Anak ni ano, anak ni Suma.
Okay.
Pero kung sumakay sa horse.
Gusto niyo ba sumakay sa horse?
Ikaw man. Sino ba?
Atong duwa nga pa gapaw.
Si Daddy, si Daddy. Si Ate Bikbik na yun. Si Kuya Ton. Okay, Ethan first, Ethan first, Ethan first. Okay, smile here, Ethan. Okay, Lucas. Smile lang tayo, Lucas.
Guys, be careful.
Tuhan.
Hold it carefully, Lucas.
Lift, Lucas, lift, Lucas, lift.
Heavy.
Sige lang, sige lang.
It's okay, Lucas.
Oh, the choking look.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Put them down.
Okay. Jared.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Jared.
Wala siya ka pangaros?
1, 2, 3.
No,
Okay.
don't, only touch.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wala ka pangaros?
Hoy, sino pa kayo ako
Can't take off.
Yeah. No. Yeah, 1. Yeah, Lucas, come here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
What's that? You want to ride in a hole?
Okay.
Ikaw man? Gusto
Hindi
mo?
ako.
Tinapay.
Oh, your picture na.
Wait. How can we climb up? This broken stairs.
Okay, ako na. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, your turn.
Lucas, look at here. Look here, Lucas.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Very good.
Hey, you go touch.
Okay.
Ashley.
Look here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ethan, no. Ethan, come here.
Okay.
Pwede matouch?
Look at your son.
Oy, that's cow.
Baba tayo.
Ready.
Pakatuto nga wala synchron ko para mag-picture di mo wala.
Bye-bye! Okay, bye-bye! Lucas, olok! What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Bye, Lucas! Kiss. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye, Ethan! Ethan, kiss.